Hi, beautiful souls. It's Robin Nola. Today I'm here to talk about the symbolism of the beautiful toucan bird. This beauty is from our personal collection, and she is made with fluorite crystal, amethyst, and rose quartz on the eyes with garnet gemstone eyes, and an amethyst beak, and she sits on an amethyst point. And we can have this made for you similar in Brazil. We also have many other Brazilian birds available at robinnola.com. But today I'm here to talk about the symbolism of the toucan. The toucan has a large, colorful bill. It's used for communication and attracting mates. They represent the importance of clear and effective communication in our lives, whether it be with others or our own inner voice. Toucans are known for their playful and curious nature. They remind us to take joy in the simple pleasures of life and to approach challenges with a light heart and sense of humor. Toucans are often associated with abundance and prosperity, perhaps due to their colorful appearance and ability to find food in the rainforest. Seeing a toucan may be a sign that good fortune and abundance are on their way to you. Toucans are very artistic and creative in their own way as they use their bill to create and modify their nest. They may inspire us to express our own creativity and originality in our work and personal life. Overall, the toucan is a symbol of positivity, joy, and creativity. Seeing one may remind us to stay optimistic and enjoy the journey of life, no matter what challenges we may face. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful video of the toucan and the symbolism. And again, for our beautiful Brazilian crystal birds, you can find us at robinnola.com, and I'll leave a link in the description. Have a beautiful day.